A big hello and welcome to all the planner moms, glam moms and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with my haul from the Ann Hearts Planning. This was, I think, the planner sale, massive planner sale, or some planner sale was there. I think it was in the month of March. Yeah, it did take a little time for me to receive this, but I think it's already May 9th, but it did come and it was free shipping. So what more can I ask? I'm not sure if it was in end of March. It was sometime in end of March, so which is not bad for me internationally, especially living in Qatar. Once the item is shipped, at least 2 months, like 1 month after the item is shipped, and from the date of shipping, maybe even 2 months, I don't mind waiting. But beyond 2 months, then I flag. Why? But Pretty Pinko has been also, I ordered it during the same time in March, but it will take a little longer because I had 2 hauls I had asked her to combine for me, so it was my request, so that's why it's taken a little long time, and the other was during the Planner Boss sale. So this one is Ann Hearts Planning, amazing packaging. She had a nice ribbon on that. Yeah, this also is not at all bad. A month so is pretty okay for me to wait. And oh my god, her kits are so beautiful. I'm waiting for the next sale. I have a cart full of another 6. Her kits are my style, very elegant with all these florals, and all the kits have beautiful names, and I love foil kits. I'll show you once it comes. So it says you just made our day. Thank you so much for your order and supporting our small business. Love, Anne. Right, you can use Rachel 10 or Annie 10 for 10% discount throughout the year, but then this sale was, I think, 15% I think. So Planner Boss sale, Planner Boss, not Planner, some sale, I forgot the name. So let me show you what are the freebies. So I was one of the few person to order very quickly, so already I got some samplers. So first I'll show you that I got this from the My Spoil sampler. It's like a sampler box, sampler kit. So I got this silver. I ordered I think House of Stickers during the same time. It should be coming as well. Katie Sticker Company has a gold foil. Then PF Spring Sale. It's a PF Spring Sale. And then here Planner Fan Sale. I am not sure the name also of the sale. Can you believe it? Chloe Lewis Designs. Again, some nice deco. And this is so cute. Blush Bow Papery. Yeah. And then this is from Katie Stickers. Looks like Planner Kate. And then these are some full boxes. Lazy Day, Plan Me Time, Happy Mail. So these are all the, like, if you are the first few to order, these are these samplers from various shops participating. Miss plus Mia also, I'm waiting for her kits as well. And this is something, if you order like beyond certain amount, you would get it during the sale. So I received this in silver foil. These are different labels. This comes Ann Hearts Planning. This is small label. These are these icons of the similar kind. Dear Swati, thank you so much for your order. She's written my name. And then sale freebie. This is the sale freebie in silver foil. And I'm not sure if I put Rachel's name, but I don't think so I put. And this is another sampler she gave me. So many freebies, you know. Quite happy with that. And then she gave me 2 journaling cards. See, this is the same, but she was so kind to put in 2. Thank you so much, Anne. I really appreciate such a pretty journaling card as well. And then these other full boxes that you were getting during the sale time. This was in the silver foil. She's always so generous. I think she was in Planner Boss also. I didn't pick up because I already had a over budget. Yeah, so but hopefully next time I would pick it up from her. The next sale I will not miss from her shop, because her kits are simply beautiful, and the paper quality is much thicker than the American shops I've been used to. So that was something different, honestly. Paper, but this is something unique I've tried. Maybe the same will be with the House of Stickers. It's a little thicker material, yeah, than the other shops that I have used. So this is the full boxes. This is called Theresa. Yeah, I love the light pinks and the pastels. This is a photo part, and the foil in this is gold. Yeah, gold foil. This is a lot of foiled. Yeah, you can see these are again the, I love header, what do you call this, checklist. Again the side labels, everything is foiled. These are the small flags, the big flags. There's this round boxes, some of them are just for deco, and these are the icons. All of them are foil and they are big huge ones. I like it, not too tiny as well. And see, good generous amount. There's a washing machine, a grocery bag, a traveler's notebook, some cleaning, trash can, a cleaning, a coffee cup, a popcorn for movie, order, happy meal, ironing, washi, some cooking, stickers, TV. This is nice set of icons that she has given. Then these beautiful labels. It's a work of art, you know. All these other, it's not very visible, but you can see here are the what do you call these, habit trackers and foiled headers. And again some more like headers or the sidebar, what is it? Yeah, these are again some headers or small labels, some labels, again some more headers. And this is the beautiful washi page. So you have these flowers, again gold, some more headers, and here, so pretty. So this is the Teresa kit. The next is the, this is Brie. I love the kit. And here it's so pretty. I love the yellow in it, the yellow and lavender. Nature has the most beautiful crowns. This shop is based in Germany. Yeah, again the labels, Hello Weekend, small labels, the same, the deco. There again labels, headers, non-foiled, or they also foiled. She has non-foiled kits also, but for me I love foiled kits. I definitely want to try Scribble Prints Co sometime. I'm always I'll be waiting, I think maybe during Black Friday or before that sometime. Next shop I really want to try is Scribble Prints Co for kits. And then here is this Anne Hart's Planning. Again, this is the Helen kit. This was the new kit. I love the colors, the blue, the pink. If you see, my logo is My Life with BBS, has the same blue, pool blue, and the light pink. These flower and this dog there. Coffee and fresh flowers. So elegant. Then followed by again this coffee with the cappuccino with the coffee design as well. The barista. And again the same, the coffee art, I must say. I love this headers. These are these small headers. Yeah. Let's see her icons. Are they kiss cut? Yeah, they are kiss cut. And again beautifully gold foiled. These flowers as well. Again it was a 15% off, so I had picked up also. This was in March, in the month of March. So this is another beautiful kit called Brianna. Yeah, Brianna is this is a very beautiful kit as well. You can see the deco, the flower deco, again gold foil, beautifully foiled. I love these flowers there. Some looks like bougainvilleas. Yeah, this looks like it reminds me of Switzerland. I lived in Europe for a year, in Switzerland, in Chur and Graubünden, and I also lived in for 6 months in Bern, the main city. I worked in a Markthalle, some restaurant there. Yeah, so pretty. Again gold foiled, all these icons, the same thing. Foiling is very nice, the quality of the paper is good, the art is amazing. So pretty. Yeah. Now I have so many kits. Now I need to decide when I'm going to post which kit. That's going to be something. Which week I'm going to have which one, because I will be planning so many weeks together, whole month of April and May. And here, this is another beautiful lavender fields like that. It's called Edith. Again, it's like, you know, you're watching Poldark or one of those Regency programs. The huts and all these tenants are there. Or even Bridgerton. I love my Julia Quinn books. I love romance novels, and especially the Regency era. This is like that, you know, elegant. Always have a grateful heart. And it has these lavender fields. So beautiful kit. And again, followed by all these half boxes, I'm saying small flags, the big flags. Still, how I'll use them, I still have to decide. I'm not a pro myself, but I'm excited to use her kit. Again, some half boxes and some, these are, what do you call, habit trackers. Again, some foil labels. This is the most beautiful washi again. It's so hard to choose one, but oh my god, look at this. So pretty. They're so beautiful. And finally, not finally yet, I have two more kits still to show, and then we are done. So this is called the But First Coffee. It's called Harry, I'm Busy, and then this one, But Come First Coffee. And these are all these watercolor kind of kits now. So pretty. Hello Petite is another shop that I want to try, but she doesn't have much foil kits. That's the thing, otherwise I would have picked up. She does her art herself as well. And here are all these icons. Again, these are silver foiled. Followed by I'm Very Busy, all these labels, boxes. And then here are the beautiful washi. My Harriet Wright design planner will look so pretty with all these kits. And then finally, the last kit that I got is Stay at Home. Again, mindfulness, Hello Weekend, gold foil again. I don't think so she has any hollow kits. I love hollow kits as well. And then this is a plain, simple, like a ombre effect, beautiful washi with the flowers. So these are all the kits that I picked from Anne Hart's Planning. Again, beautiful shop. Do try and try getting during the sale period. Her shipping is mostly free, and like if you go beyond certain order, it takes a little time, but that's not too much. A month is okay for if you're living away, like you're living in the Middle East or living, I'm not sure how fast it comes to the US. But that's it. Thank you so much again for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed, and I wish you all a wonderful day, afternoon, evening. Take care, stay blessed and stay safe.